Good day, class. Welcome back to Unparler Creole. This is Haitian Creole 101, Lesson 5. The only homework you had for Lesson 4 was to read the conversation and then practice the conversation. That was it. So we don't have any exercise, really, any homework to review today. All you had to do was to read the conversation and practice. Practice makes perfect. Now, in lesson 5, we're going to finish with the consonants. We have 5 more that we're going to see today. And then after that, in the next slide, we're going to start learning the sounds. All the sounds that you're going to encounter in Haitian Creole. We're going to start practicing them and pronounce them by syllable. That's going to help you to master the sounds of the language and then have no problem reading the language and speaking it as well. All right? The last 5 consonants we have them on the board already. It's r, s, t, v, z. Let's do it again. R, s, t, v, z. Now, with r, we have words like radio, radio. We have words like rad, We have words like rebelle, 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 rein, rein. And you have words like remen, that sound. Now, I need to stop a little here to do this very quick. There is another word, another letter in Haitian Creole that people tend to use to replace The reality is, they don't sound the same. In some word, like before the letter O, for instance, before the letter O, you most likely will see the semi-vowel W, not the letter O. For instance, if I want to say wo, which means high, wo, it's not O, but it's O, wo. This is how you do it. You ask yourself, what sound does it make? Is it O or If I say wonal, it's O. It's not It's not honal. It's wonal. If it's wonal, then it's O. Wonal. That's what it is. Next letter. S. Samedi. Samedi. S. After Saturday, when I say Saturday, that's what samedi means, okay? Samedi means Saturday. Samedi. S. And sens. Sens. S. You have the sound S twice. Sens. S. En. S. Sensation. S. You have it 3 times actually in that one. Sensation. Sensation. Soleil. 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 Serré. S-E-R-E. Serré. The next one is train. Train. Tendez. Tendez. Tranquille. 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 Tapis. T-A-P-I. Tapis. Tonton. On. Tonton. Tirer. T-I-R-E. Tirer. That was for letter T. Now letter V. V. Voler. That's not a very good word. Voler. That means thief. Voler. This is interesting. Voler. Now from voler, I write exactly the same thing but without the accent. From voler to voler. It's not the same. It's two completely different things. This is voler, a thief. This is voler, to fly. Voler. Okay? Two different things. You see what the difference? The accent turns the O to O, the A to E. Alright. Video. 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 Valet. V-A-L-E. Valet. Voisin. V-O-A-Z-N. Voisin. Virer. V-I-R-E. Virer. Virer. This one now. The last consonant we're gonna see, it's Z. Z. Zip. 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 Zippé. Zippé. Zange. Z. Z. Zange. Orange. Z. Zépon, zépon, zépon. Those are 6 last consonants we're supposed to see, we just saw. Now, what we're gonna see, we're gonna learn the sounds. All the sounds you're gonna encounter in the language. All of them. That's what we're gonna see now. Alright? You ready? Let's go.